is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 94, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Sullivan, New York, and the following counties. Including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 94 has been issued from 1:05 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following county: Sullivan, New York, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne. The National Weather Service forecast for Northwest New Jersey.